BESPIN stands for Business Enterprise Systems Product Innovation. We are a software factory that specializes in mobile software along with web. So what we really do here at BESPIN is we offer enterprise services that allows customers to get their applications into a delivery zone of their choice in a rapid fashion through our enterprise services.
We're building a pipeline to ensure that the applications that come out of BESPIN are secure and trusted, and we only allow the capabilities to be controlled based off of how we want to control them. And that's where our continuous authority to operate pipeline has evolved and created this, massive opportunity for the DoD to build mobile technologies in the right way.
BESPIN certainly has branched out outside of just the Air Force and even business enterprise systems, right? Where we currently reside at Maxwell Gunner Annex. And the reason we've done that is because we have such tremendous enterprise service capabilities. It wouldn't be right to just keep them boxed in and they're scalable and they should be available to everyone. And so what we've done is we've opened up the aperture where we now have a joint force presence. We currently have contract actions for enterprise services with the United States Marine Corps. We have contract actions with the United States Army. We also have some with a federal agency, the Center for Disease Control. And so our enterprise services are agnostic to just being with the Air Force, but being a joint Department of Defense and government technical capability that we should be bringing forward. Over the course of this last year, we've also expanded into our efforts with the Republic of Singapore. So the RSAF has a innovation effort, much like BESPIN was 3 to 4 years ago. And as they're getting off the ground, they actually spent 8 weeks with us here this last year. They sent 5 developers, a project lead, and 4 engineers over to sit with our team, to learn about our enterprise services. And they actually built an organic application called Stargazer. And that was an amazing international collaboration that we had. And that was fully supported by SAF IA of International Affairs out of the Pentagon, and we would love to continue to grow that international footprint. We're really the only software factory that is getting after expanding to the international community right now. But our enterprise services transition across not just military organizations like the Air Force, the Army, the Marine Corps, but also international partners.
And one thing I'm very proud of here at BESPIN is all of our applications are built by airmen for airmen. And so when you really start looking at what problem sets you have, we are able to go out, identify with that problem set. We have experts that can go out and sit with your users and really look at identifying what that problem set is and being able to develop a solution to get after what that problem set is for that individual user, instead of building out a capability and just throwing it over the fence and hoping for the best.
And now with inside of 2023, we have this massive opportunity to take advantage of the 6 billion mobile devices that are out there in the world to leverage new concepts of operation and really leverage the power of mobile to help us be more resilient in our networks, to help us be more agile when it comes to basing and mobility, and then just help us to share data more seamlessly across all of our networks using multiple different network paths.
BESPIN actually has done an excellent job of lowering the barrier of entry for other government partners to bring funding forward to access our technical capabilities through our enterprise services. Really, it starts at the contract methodology that BESPIN utilizes. BESPIN has 4 IDIQs, so indefinite delivery, indefinite quantity contracts. And these contracts exist with our small business partners to provide the enterprise services that reside in BESPIN. And they're already pre-negotiated, and the barrier to entry for funding is very low. And so how we're able to do that is through the organic Airmen developers, our software development team we have here to offset costs. And then that cost model directly translates to saving taxpayer dollars, but delivering maximum capability for the funding source.